So today's journal is going to be at the end of the day. I'm going to go through the price action, everything I saw and the trades that I took. Ending the day yesterday, marking out here an hourly changing state of delivery that we had. So the immediate draw was going to be the all-time highs. As you can see, when London and Asia London session immediately drew to that level. Got the displacement fair value gap here where we did consolidate for a while. So I jumped onto the charts during the New York session. Marked out here, tapered the buy towards these relative equal highs. Did not execute as I wasn't prepared to take any trades at this moment in time. However, once we took them equal highs, I took a trade here, just targeted 50% of that leg up. Was not expecting a run towards them lows there. If you can have a look here as well, it was the hourly fair value gap, which was the draw. I wasn't able to capitalize on that full move, however, did get a nice trade there, good risk to reward. Once we tapped into that hourly, I targeted low hanging fruit again, as we are close to 9:30 open. Did go into the day just targeting low hanging fruit, so stuck with my rules. So we got the 9:30 open here, immediately started trading higher. I'm just going to do the standard deviation on that hourly changing state of delivery here. And as we can see, before that move down, we did get the -1. Here we came close to the -1.5. Tape reading this sell down. We had the changing state of delivery, the inversion of the first presented gap with the order block. There was a few different entries to get that short. However, I wasn't comfortable shorting from all-time highs as I was still biased going into this session. So I was bullish for this session, so I was expecting to see if we can get a reversal once we take them London lows, or we go into one Asia lows as well. So just tape red here, another sell towards them Asia lows. Did not take that trade either. It was very nice. Once we were failing to get that reversal, I changed my bias that the previous day low could be the draw for the day. So when I came back into the PM session for my 1R model, I marked out here a 5-minute gap between the times of 2 o'clock and 2:30. And when price retraced into that 5-minute gap, the first inversion it gives, I was entering from there, just targeting a 1-to-1. And as you can see, this is another trade that I took and managed to take profits on this one as well. So that was me for the day. Very good day for buys and sells in my opinion. However, the bias for me was wrong for the day. We did get lower prices. Here are the executions for all 3 of the trades that I took today.